In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Bluebeam view settings. If your document looks zoomed to a strange level, off-center, or panels, and split views have your workspace feeling cluttered, a quick reset can bring the view back to a clean, predictable state. This process is simple, safe, and doesn't affect your markups, annotations, or saved files. It only resets how you're looking at the document on screen. First, open Bluebeam Revu. Make sure the document you want to fix is active so the reset applies to the right tab. If you have multiple tabs open, the reset will affect the one you're currently viewing. It's a good idea to glance at the interface and take note of anything that looks off, zoom level, rotation, or panels, so you can immediately tell that the reset has worked. Next, go to the View menu at the top of the application window and choose Reset View. You'll find it among the core view controls. Selecting this option tells Revu to return the document view to its default state. In most cases, that means the page is recentered, the zoom is normalized, and any unusual view conditions are cleared. If you've been working in a split view layout or panned far away from the page content, this is a fast way to get back to a clean viewport without hunting through multiple tools. When you select Reset View, you may be prompted to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the reset. This extra step prevents accidental changes and ensures you meant to apply it. After confirmation, watch the screen for a quick adjustment. The page should snap back to a standard view, making it easier to continue reviewing or marking up your document. A few helpful notes as you work. Reset View is non-destructive. It does not delete markups, change your document, or alter permanent preferences. It only affects the on-screen viewing state. If nothing seems to change, you may have already been at a default view, or the issue you're seeing might relate to a different setting like a custom profile or panel arrangement, which is outside the scope of this quick reset. Also remember that Reset View works per document tab, so if another tab looks off, simply repeat the same action there. That's all there is to it. Open Bluebeam Revu, use View, Reset View, and confirm. With your display back to a clean slate, you can focus on what matters, reviewing, measuring, and marking up with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.